Hello, how are you guys? So today we are going to do chikute at home. This is my mom's recipe. So before we go to the ingredients, okay, dekat sini hujan ya. How about at your place? Okay. By the way, we need ayam kampung, A1 rempah soup, and then sauce caramel, kicap air, garam, bawang putih, halia, air. Tofu mushroom is optional. So let's begin. Add few cups of water in a pot and then add bawang putih, okay? Boil it. Then you have to add our soup rempah. Okay, there will be two sachets in that. So meanwhile, we are going to marinate our chicken. Chicken with the sauce caramel. You can see here, sauce caramel, kicap air, garam. Okay. Let it boil, and then what we are going to do, we are going to slice the ginger. So for this, you need to use one whole ginger. Okay, you need to cut like this, slice like this. Okay, should be a bit wider lah. Cover and boil in a low flame, and then like after about 40 minutes, you need to add the chicken. And after that, what you need to do is you cover and you need to cook the chicken about 1 hour. This one is for ayam kampung, yeah. But if you are using the normal one, normal chicken, I think it will be done by 30 minutes or 25 minutes. And here is our chikute. Looks yummy, right? And it's really tastes amazing, guys.